Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? I am fine. Very easy and easily income how to make money the online platform. The Fiverr marketplace they are very easy income for the online platform total solution of data entry. I can search data entry, data entry, data entry job. Okay. I can search data entry. Lot of the seller present my skin data entry job. There are top rated seller on data entry. I am the opening some data entry. Top rated seller. The data entry job very simple job. The lot of people the work the data entry job. Same data entry job. The offer the one customer he is the I will Excel data entry data entry PDF to Excel data entry. This person is offered the data entry. Data entry very simple work. The all time now the joining the marketplace your computer work at home for the 4 hours $50, so 1 hours $20, and 8 hours $75. He offered. I'm the care, accounting, and finance skill and the production financial result and history in data entry. The 10 data, your data offered, the financial statement, financial analytic, accounting, bookkeeper, Microsoft Excel, PDF, convert list, accounting, data entry, Microsoft Office. Uh, he is the accounting student, then of the only for accounting data entry provider this offer. You're very excellent, the top rated seller. I'm the second. I will be a virtual assistant for data entry, web research, typing, and copy paste job. Very simple. You read data entry, MS Office, data entry, MS Word, data entry, virtual assistant, data mining, email market, email scalping, email extension, web extension, Shopify product listing, lead generation, B2B lead generation, email lead generation, LinkedIn lead generation, typing, copy paste, web research, and web research skipping, real estate skip, Microsoft Excel, custom care, etc. etc. Okay. Same another seller offer. I'll do data entry, Excel, scrubbing, typing, copy paste work. Very simple work is data entry. Data entry, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, typing, Microsoft Office, web research, PDF, Excel. Your hands is computer and internet line. Very simple and easy work. The data entry job, data entry job is offline data entry, online data entry. Just I'm example some sellers offer on Fiverr marketplace. This is seller is offer. I will do WordPress data entry, Excel data entry, web scraping, email findings, B2B lead generation. The lot of seller you have the skill, any skill gather the very easy and simple word data entry, offline data entry, data analytic, data mining, MS Word, Excel, data scraping, web scraping, virtual assistant, Microsoft Word, lead generation, B2B lead generation, data conversion, data clearing, and data collection. Very simple work. Same word, the research on online. Just example, data collection. Data collection, your client on your website and Excel sheet. This is collect your MS Word, Excel. The lot of data collection. Um, what is the maybe data collection? Data collection method and key setup, lot of time. Just your any keyword search on Google, your Google guideline, the work very easily and simple. I am search on Google. This website is data collection. What is the data collection? Is a process going in the data collection, and forecast is the data analysis example. Friends, you have the skill gain, the data collection and data entry job, and the how to make money, the online platform, the $100 premium. This seller is 955. What is complete? Then reviews the $100. $95,500 income this gig. Very easy and simple word, data entry and copy paste job. Data entry and copy paste job. This seller is offer data entry, product listing, product uploading, real estate, typing, conversion file. Very simple work. CRM data entry, virtual assistant, copy paste job. Very simple work. Very simple work is easy to income, the how to make money. Just banner is very simple. Banner create in Canva, design. Data entry opportunity, find the collect data, this sample data, this sample data, the blue book of data service. Very simple, easy work. The client give me your all details, just your computer opening, the collect data, as like name, first name, last name, email address, phone number, contract address, house address, business address, website link, social media link, etc., etc., collecting. This is the data. Okay, thank you, my friend. You can practice very easy work, data entry job, how to make money, the Fiverr marketplace and Upwork marketplace. Same search, Upwork, DAT, data entry, search and search Upwork, data entry. The lot of the lead generation, data mining, the lot seller, 6.99 hours, the 30K earning, 30,000 US dollar, 94% job success, 40K earning, 4.8 hours, 6 hours, 100K earning. Wow, 100K, 1 lakh US dollar earning. You can Upwork and Fiverr, the lot of people, the work of data entry. Just you can practice, you can try very easy and simple work, data entry. Okay, so thank you, best of luck, my friend. You can practice more, may earn the online platform, the make money, data entry job. Thank you. Best of luck, my friend. You can practice the data entry job. The data entry very easy. Just very easy. A lot of videos, another video, another YouTube channel, and institute and training center. 1 month or 2 month training complete. Now you're how to make money, data entry job. Thank you very much. Best of luck. Sharing your comments and subscribe. Thank you.